Hi, I am Aditya. This is FinGuard AI, multiple agent financial concierge for Indian professionals. It solves the problem of fragmented financial advice by combining ADK, multi-agent orchestration with MCP tools and multiple features. Yeah, all the features are mentioned here. You can read here. So let me go to the system architecture. So here I have used the ADK Web UI. So here you can chat or you can add your statements, and the FinGuard AI will coordinate with other agents and tools to provide you the best results. So let's analyze the pain area of the banking sector. So as India, we are growing in the UPI. Every day we are doing multiple transactions, but yeah, we got credited on only on day one. So after getting the transactions in at the month of the end, we have a messy transaction statements to analyze by manually. It will take a lot of time and maybe a lot of money even to hire someone to analyze. So I got idea to why not do it agentic. So let's me ask my agent to just to analyze that statement. So actually I have given access to that directory. So this is the directory where my statements are being saved. So this is the actually directory to the resource. So let me just say by analyze the sample transaction CSV and give me the full financial. So if you say I can help you with that, I will transfer this request to the statement analyst agent, because this is the main agent, FinGuard agent, and it doesn't know how to analyze this transaction. So it is transferring to the statement analyst agent. So it has transferred to the statement analyst agent, and a statement agent has accepted this, and it is analyzing the transaction, which is the sample CSV file. So it is using the MCP server. So let me also show you the MCP server logs. So it is using this MCP server logs. Uh, just wait. So after reading, it has given the summary. And the summary is going after summary. It goes transfer to the budget agent. It will transfer to the budget agent. Budget advisor. After, and if you can see, so this is the based on the transaction. It has plans like in housing. How should we break down the spendings, and also this like a recommendation section. So all the things has been suggested. Even we can ask, like if I show you the, there is a loan analyst agent, transaction analyst agent. Suppose if I ask it, let ask to calculate the EMI for some home loans. Let's assume that it's 10 lakh EMI for 20 years, with the 8.5 interest rate. So let's see how it is behave. So if you can see, it has the I think budget agent has the last session. So it is not the capacity to calculate the EMI. So it is transferring to the FinGuard agent, because FinGuard agent uh, so FinGuard, because FinGuard agent was designed to provide uh, calculate the EMI and other financial advices. So it is calculating, and it is you can see the it is given a final EMI, total interest to be paid, and other things also. So yeah, this is the like a multi-agent systems, agent powered by LLMs, and using the Gemini products. So it is using the Gemini products, even the ADK tools also by the Gemini teams, and yeah, thanks to them, and the other tools like MCP, custom tools, observability, everything has been integrated here, and it is live on the GitHub. So let me share you my GitHub where I have posted it, so you can see I have also added last committed. So this this is the where all the projects have been set. You can check. Yeah, we can collaborate if